daily living and disability, recollections, bad dreams, eruptions of anger, fits of anxiety, concentration issues, diversion of busy places, and serious disengagement and forgetfulness. These will cause trouble for any, and does for some. Disability is not just a physical ailment. If you suffer any degree of these, or using your intuition can sense other areas of difficulty, then you likely have a form or degree of disability. Not so much the minority now, eh? The vastness of humanity can admit to struggling some, slight, or any of these throughout some or most of their lives. People may present their old persona as they recall themselves and get a shock when every attribute they were proud of seems to have just stopped. No longer the same person, whether affected physically or not. If the person is physically subdued, they will face even more overpowering and harder to avoid social conditioning to produce yet another personality in line with the norm. Conditioning is paramount, as what is known as microaggressions is often delivered by well-intended people, and in fact most of us deliver these. They are so commonplace your mind shuts down awareness when a current stimulates. Examples: when talking to a person with an identifiable disability. Oh, you're so brave after what you've been through. I know exactly what you're going through. My friend has the same problem. We need more people like you. Know what I mean? They sound like regular everyday compliments, right? Well, to the person, they may resemble deep offence, unintended, so untackled. Figuring out a new life to socially streamline with the norm is just a start. Getting used to your forever altering mind in survival mode will astound. You forget who you once were, still partly presenting strong emotional identities, but even these are outweighed and become almost an act of resilience when even your family think the injury is causing all this. That is just recovery when society has so much to say in the outcome. Disability is a social model, not a medical model. Fact.